Karl Benz invented the first car in 1886, or did he? This is what is taught in schools and what comes up when you Google first car ever made. The definition of the car is perhaps surprisingly a disputed topic. In August of 2019, the Jaguar Car Company submitted a formal request to the Oxford Dictionary of English to change their definition of the car, which was a road vehicle, typically with four wheels, powered by an internal combustion engine and able to carry a small number of people. This was after the Jaguar I-Pace, an electrically powered vehicle, won World Car, World Green Car, and World Car Design of 2019. If we take the Oxford Dictionary's new definition of a car, a road-going vehicle with an engine and four wheels that can carry a small number of passengers, we can still see there is some ambiguity in the definition, as an electric vehicle, technically, does not have an engine but an electric motor. When we include different powertrains, as Jaguar requested into the definition, we will find that the car was invented some time before Karl Benz and the internal combustion powered car. To find the first car, we have to go back to 1769 and to France under Napoleon. This is French military inventor Nicolas Joseph Cugnot. Like others around him, he was looking at the still relatively new technology of the steam engine invented by Thomas Savery in 1698. Cugnot, looking at its possible uses, presented what is recognized as the first traction engine. Although it only achieved 2 miles an hour and ran for 15 minutes, it was the first and its design would be developed over time. The actual car is located in the Museum of Arts and Crafts in Paris. It was 117 years after Cugnot's design that Karl Benz invented his internal combustion powered cars. At about the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and designer William Maybach, working independently from Benz, built their first car. Later, Benz's and Daimler's names would be combined in 1926 to form Daimler-Benz. There is another contradiction with the definition of the car. Benz's car is three-wheeled, and therefore a tricycle. This brings us to the argument of whether a three-wheeled vehicle is a car. The motor wagon is widely seen as the first car made, although, as mentioned earlier, the Oxford Dictionary definition is that a car has four wheels. Furthermore, if we consider UK road tax, for example, we can see that a tricycle is classified as within the motorcycle section. Therefore, it may be concluded that the first car was Cugnot's steam-powered car, and the first car to be powered by an internal combustion engine was actually invented by Gottlieb Daimler and William Maybach.